Hey y'all, it's Tricia Grace. Today I'm unboxing a giant size skeleton with lifelike eyes, and I'm going to show y'all how I assemble it. Well, let's get started. Sounds like he's like right there. Hopefully I did not cut into something. So awesome. It looks so big. Oh my gosh. That's it. I have a big bone for you. High five. Oh, good boy. Okay, we're gonna get started assembling this thing. Hopefully it's easy. Okay, let's get started. It's really not heavy. Arms, ham bone. I don't know. Just kidding. Whoa. Almost want to cry. Listen, we got feet. We're just gonna walk over this way. What's this part, like the butt bone or something?
Hips.
Hips. Adapter inside. The head. I think that's everything. We're gonna move this over this way. Get some more room. The sun is giving us issues, so we keep picking different spots to move this to. C foot, which is left foot. B foot is the right foot. Look, it's this easy, y'all. I love you. It's not pet time, so that's on. We're gonna do this one. Here's the scratch husband at the same time. Okay, that's done. So this is the left foot, that's the right foot. These are the poles for the feet. Okay, we need pole D and pole E. So D is going into the right foot. And it locked, it's all done. Okay, now we're gonna do E. E. You just depress the little button. It just literally slides in like that. Now for the femur. It does connected. Which is F over here. It needs to be facing out or it's not going to connect. There you go. He is on. Okay. Yep. He's on. Okay. This is the left. I want to show y'all that it only goes on one way. So this is the shape of it. Pole, and we're going to just slide it right in. It has a tiny little hole here. Go right. I'm going to slide in like that. And we're going to do the other side without my glasses. Here's the little hole. Just trying to be careful with my coffin nails. Okay, here's the right femur. He's labeled I. He goes on this way. Now, let's see. Okay, next one. He's labeled J, left femur. Pretty tall, and in order to put the pelvis on, we had to move outside. This part was a little trickier. Craig had to use a screwdriver in order to press in the button as seen right here to lock in the pole. Time to put them in the house so that we can finish putting them together. We're attaching L to the pelvis. And I'm doing it without my glasses. There we go. All done. Okay, we're attaching the rib cage. We did have to dig the wire out. Craig helped me with that. He held the thing and I put my hand all the way in here and dug it out. So it was a two-person job getting the rib cage on. Craig had to help me. We have to connect these wires here. And so we're gonna do that. And then I think I'm gonna try putting this on. Two-person job. When the rib cage slides over the pole will come through the neck, and then you will be able to take that support screw and screw it in. This is Humerus. We're gonna attach it, then we're gonna tighten it up just a little bit. They said not to tighten it too much at all. So we get it on, and then tighten just a little bit. We have the arms. We're gonna put them in. Okay, I got it. I'm gonna twist and lock. So it's twisted and it's locked in. Now, time for the left arm. I did it! Woohoo! Scratch my hair. I'm calling HR on you. Support cable, we're attaching it. We're gonna take one loop, pull it through. We got our loop, hook them here.
I knew Tricia could hold up a 12-foot man because she's been holding up a 6-foot man for 31 years.
Two-person job. I held Mr. Skeleton up like this. The directions talk about this, that the support wire could possibly be a little short, so one person will need to lift. The other person, which was Craig, he hooked the wire up at the base to the hook. The support wire goes through the support ring, and then you bring both the wires down. They have loops on each wire, and they're gonna go into the support hooks. This is the wire that's in the neck. We're gonna pull it out, and we're gonna attach it to the head. The extra wire goes right in here. Be careful not to pinch the wires when you put them in. We're giving them a little alignment here. Okay, I'm showing y'all here that the wire is not pinched.
The directions say make sure that you have 3 people to stand skeleton back up again. And we added 4 of these extra spiral anchors. Our neighbor came over and he helped us move skeleton to the exact spot that we wanted in our yard, and he helped us secure our base. Note, power button and battery compartment are on the underside of the K pelvis. Position 12-foot skeleton on flat surfaces only. Use the adapter or insert new batteries to turn on LCD eyes. The life eyes blink and move around. We really wanted to showcase 12-foot skeleton's awesome eyes, so Craig captured this at dusk. At nighttime, skeleton's eyes glow. It's so cool, and it's really creepy. If you stand right up close to him, you can still see them moving around.